Granny, one very cute boy loudly say. One old lady sit in the living room. She listen this voice and say, "Yes, Granny. Yes, Jimin. Jimin, come in the living room." He looked at her and said, "Jimin, this is your medicine. I think you again forget." Granny smiled. "Granny dear, I eat it." Say, make he nodded as no. "Jimin, eat it, okay? Otherwise, I call your son." Smirk and say, Granny laugh. Granny, okay, okay, give me. Jimin smiled and gave him Taeyang. Jimin Young. Jimin turned his side and looked at him. Jimin say and look at him. Taeyang, I call Yoongi Young. Jimin freeze on his place. Granny, really? She nodded. He nodded. Sorry, he nodded. Granny, so what he said? Taeyang, you told me. He told me he is coming. Aye, Simbo Yoongi aan laga. Ah, Simbo. Okay. Back. Jimin's heart started to beating fast. Granny, really? Asked to him. She smiled and nodded. Mrs. Min, really? Yoongi coming back? Asked to him. Taeyang, yes, mom. Hyung say he's coming back. Granny, finally, my son coming back after 3 years. Happily say Jimin. Granny, eat it. I have some work. Say and about to go, but Mrs. Min stopped him. Mrs. Min, son, come here. Jimin, huh? Mrs. Min, I say, come here. He scaredly nodded and sit beside her. Mrs. Min, I sent you some dresses, okay? Jimin, huh? But try. He took courage and asked to her. Mrs. Min, eat it. Your husband come back. Say, make him make. He looking down. Taeyang chuckled. Taeyang, well, Min, you. Simba. सिम्बो रानी तो बड़ी सियानी यार अच्छी जगह कोई बैठने दी मिल जाए गर्मी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह इंसान दा किसी दा बैग है कि जानवर दा छिम्बो मैं यहाँ बैठ गई You are right. Jimin looked at Granny with wide eyes. Granny, now I want Grant, okay? Chuckle and say, but Jimin face fully red. He is looking down. Jimin, but Granny, I think we should fix Taeyang marriage with someone. Say and look at him. Taeyang eyes widen. Mrs. Min, you are right. Well, now Yoongi come. I tell him also fix Taeyang marriage. Say. Jimin smile. Granny, Jimin, son, dial Yoongi number and call him. I want to ask him when he is coming. Say, make him nodded. He started dialing Yoongi number with trembling hands. Well, Yoongi attend the call. Nagar. So he hurriedly gave phone to Granny on the call. Granny, hello, my son. Smile. Simba सो रहा ओ सिम्बा सो जा मज़े किया कहने Yoongi, yes, Granny, normally. Granny, Taeyang told me you are coming, so I want to ask you when you are coming. Yoongi, yeah, I am coming. I think the day after tomorrow. Big smile appear on Granny face. Granny, really? Yoongi, yes, okay, Granny. I call you later. I have some work. Granny, okay, my son. Bye. Say and she cut the call. Jimin in mind. Please, Granny, say no. Think, but Granny say, Granny, he is coming after tomorrow. Jimin eyes widen. JC, I told you na. Happily say, Granny smile. Mrs. Min stand up. Mrs. Min, Jimin, come in my room. She say and go. Jimin, no, I don't want to go. Look at Granny and say. She chuckle. Jimin, literally, they both are very horrible. Say, make Taeyang laugh. Granny, okay, now go. He nodded and go behind both. start to telling. हाँ तो ये टेक्स्ट लंबा है, मीन्स के जगह इसने ज़्यादा लिया है, पर वॉइस ओवर मेरा ख़त्म हो गया। टाइम स्किप। जिमिन एंटर इन द रूम, ही सी Taeyang is waiting. Jimin, why you come here? Asked to him. Taeyang, I want to tell you, Hyung coming tomorrow, not after the day after tomorrow. Say, Jimin, why he's coming? Make fake cry face and say, Taeyang smile. Now mom sent me here. I select your dress. He's standing and come close to him. Say, Taeyang, my Hyung like white color, so I want to wear white color. Jimin, no, I don't want. Say, Taeyang, okay then, I tell mom. Jimin, don't listen to me. Say and about to go, but Jimin stop him. Jimin, why you are getting angry? I swear, I wear white color. Awkwardly smile and such smile. ओके तो ये वैसे ना जिमिन के साथ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा। तो ये स्टोरी मैंने नहीं लिखी, ये मेरी सिस्टर ने लिखी है, तो मैं खुद इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानती क्या लिखा है। मेक Taeyang laugh, Taeyang good and be ready on time. Say and go behind Jimin, roll his eyes and go behind Jimin, roll his eyes. Jimin, oh, how I tell everyone. They all me. I didn't tell them anything, but I don't want to go in front of him, think and make weird faces. Let me tell you, guys, Yoongi and Jimin both are cousins and both get married. Yoongi nature is very cold and Jimin scared from him a lot. That's why he do this. Well, after 3 years, Yoongi coming back. That's why he behave like this. Jimin nature is not a type person. Well, he lay on the bed and drift into sleep. जो भी है जैसा मर्जी है, but सोना पहले. Time skip. Everyone is waiting for Yoongi. Mrs. Min, Taeyang, where is Jimin? Angrily asked to him. Taeyang, mom, he is coming. Don't worry. She nodded. At this moment, Jimin coming down. He wear fully white color, looking very beautiful. Smile appear on Mrs. Min's face. Taeyang, you looking very pretty. Say and look at him. Jimin smile. He tried to calm himself, but his heartbeat is very fast. Door knocked. Granny, I think my son come. Mrs. Min nodded. She opened the door and see her son. Today he wear black color suit, looking very handsome. Mrs. Min hugged him. Jimin see Yoongi face. He freeze on his place because Yoongi have built type. He's veiny. Okay. So काफ़ी अच्छी इसकी पर्सनैलिटी बताई गई है योंगी की। सिम्बा क्या हुआ? हाँ सिम्बा को फिर कुछ नज़र आ गया। Carry on Simba. Arms make him more attractive. Jimin gulped and looking down. Yoongi hugged Granny. Granny, finally you come. Yoongi nodded. Jimin in mind, I think this quality change, but I am wrong. Think and look at him. Taeyang, hello Hyung. Yoongi hugged him. Yoongi, how are you? Taeyang, fine. Now Jimin says, Jimin, hello. Yoongi listened this beautiful voice. He nodded and sit down. Jimin in mind, seriously, I am his husband and he didn't even greet me. Think and make fake angry pouch. Mrs. Min, go bring coffee for him. Take coffee. He nodded and about to go, but Yoongi stopped him. Yoongi, no, I ate lunch. I'm coming. Say and go to his room. Jimin, Taeyang, come we eat the lunch. Okay, Simba. हाँ Simba तो दिल्ली छड़ गई। आए नहीं जिम्बो, आए मैं सुध की अपनी जिम्बो के। तो जिस जिसके घर में कैच ना उसके घर में ये चीज़ें नॉर्मल है. Say and about to go, but Mrs. Min stopped. Mrs. Min urged her husband to come go and give him clothes. Jimin, but Mrs. Min, Jimin, okay. Jimin scaredly entered in the room. He see Yoongi sit on the couch. He rests his head on the couch bed. So he entered and closed the door. Jimin, did you need anything? Awkwardly smiled. Yoongi looked at him. Yoongi, why you come late? Look at him with expressionless face. Jimin, huh? He didn't understand what Yoongi said. Yoongi stand up and come close to him. He said, Yoongi, I'm waiting for you from last 15 minutes. Why you come late? Stand in front of him and ask. Jimin shocked. Jimin, I am me. He don't know what he say. But next moment, Jimin frees Yoongi his place because Yoongi hugged him. Him feel like everything stopped for a moment. Yoongi, you miss me? Softly asked to him. Jimin don't know. Oh, Allah. Okay. Oh, हाय सिम्बो मेरी तरफ देख रही. हाय सिम्बो मेरी तरफ देख ली. सिम्बा मेरे सिम्बो टाइम नहीं है खेलने. हाँ नहीं अभी नहीं सिम्बा अभी नहीं. चल वॉइस ओवर करने दे. What he said. He didn't expect Yoongi hug him. He begged to hug and its forehead. Jimin eyes widened and look at him. A lot. Simba नाराज हो गई. Yoongi again sit down. Yoongi, now give me comfortable clothes. Say make her. Nor him nodded. Make him nodded. He hurriedly nodded. Yoongi smiled to see him. Yoongi, please wear this. Say and give him simple trousers and shirt. Yoongi, I will. But in white you're looking gorgeous. Say and went to washroom behind. Jimin freeze on his place. He slightly himself. Jimin, come to reality, idiot. Think and look at the bathroom door. He smiled. Sometimes later, Yoongi come back. Jimin look at him and girl. His white veiny arms. Simba माफ कर दे. सिम्बा ना ढीठ ने सुननी नहीं बात. Make Jimin increase heartbeat. Yoongi brush his hairs. He turned and looked at Jimin. Jimin, let's go. Yoongi nodded. He opened the door and both go downstairs. हाँ इतनी जल्दी नीचे भेज दिया. Both come down. Jimin still feeling shy because of Yoongi. Mrs. Jimin. Finally he comes. Say Granny smile to see both. Yoongi hello. Say and sit on his seat. Jimin about to sit beside Chiang, but Mrs. Jimin look at him. He awkwardly smile and sit beside Yoongi. They all start to eating. Mrs. Jimin, how you are feeling now? Asked to him. Yoongi, good. Normally. Granny, well, I want to tell you something. Yoongi, yes. Granny, I want funds for Chiang because he's adult now. Yoongi nodded. Yoongi, I know that you told me about Chiang, but now I tell you today. I'll tell you today night I invite one family at dinner. If you both like this family and the boys, so we fixed it. Say, make Chiang eyes wide and Chiang, I think it's too early. Say and look at Granny. Mrs. Min, no, this is not. हाँ आपकी यूनी भी अभी सिंगल है. Totally single. He looking down and nodded. Simba नाराज है. Jimin, now I select dress for you. Say, make Chiang roll his eyes. Jimin chuckle. Chiang, shut up and focus to you. Say in low voice, his eyes wide. And sometimes later, everyone turn. Yoongi stand up. Yoongi come room. Look at Jimin and say. Last 1 hour pass. Yoongi lay on the bed and using phone. Jimin, if you use the phone, so can I go? look at him and ask Yoongi, no, stay here. Tell to Jimin, but his eyes fixed on screen. He stand up and say, Jimin, but this is wrong. I am going. Sen about to go, but she stopped Yoongi. If you go out of the room, I will break your leg. Say, make Jimin scared. He look at him. Jimin, huh? Yoongi, nothing. Go and sit down. Say, make again. Sit down. Jimin, but I'm feeling bored. That's why I told you. Yoongi sit up on the bed. He look at him and say, Yoongi, listen carefully. When I stay abroad, I don't know what you are doing or not. हाँ 3 साल पहले 3 एनिवर्सरी अब्रॉड गुजार दी. रियलिटी होती तो इस टाइम तो बुलाती ही नहीं. हाँ सिम्बो सिम्बो सिम्बा सिम्बा वो ढीठ है, बात नहीं मानती. Because I don't care, but now I care. So remember what you when you are with me. So just focus on me or think about me. This is enough for you. Jimin, huh? But this is wrong. Say, Yoongi, no. This is not. Now, come here. Look at him and say, Jimin, huh? But try. Yoongi, come here. Serious tone. He stand up and come close to him. Yoongi, hold his hand, make him lay on the bed. Jimin eyes wide. Jimin, what are you doing? His heart beats fast. That's why he asked to him, Yoongi, I want to sleep. Him answered, he off the lights. Jimin, so sleep. Why you are holding me? Asked to him, Yoongi, because I want. And now, if I listen any single voice, so literally, Jimin, I will you. बस ये ठीक है यार, ये सही बदतमीजी है. हाँ सिम्बो, यूंगी भी तुम्हारी तरह बदतमीज है. तुम भी बिल्ली हो, यूंगी भी बिल्ली है, तो फिर दोनों कैट सेम ही होंगी. दोनों ही बदतमीज है. ओह 18 मिनट को लगा वॉइस ओवर. Jimin scared to listen Yoongi dark voice. Sometimes later Yoongi drift into sleep, but Jimin who feel Yoongi heart, he clearly listen. Jimin see Yoongi breathe in his. He want to run away, but it can't be possible. So he keep quiet and skip. It's dinner time. Yoongi wake up and see time. It's 8 a.m. He look at Jimin who rests his head in Yoongi and sleeping peacefully. He smile and on his forehead. He make him comfortably lay on the bed and go to washroom. Sometimes later he come back and see Jimin wake up. He's busy to rubbing his eyes. Yoongi, don't rub too much, otherwise you feel hurt. Say, make he nodded. Yoongi, I think Jun family come. Go and get ready. Jimin eyes wide and Jimin because of you I sleep. चला जा. अच्छा तो मैं गैराज में बैठी हूँ, इसलिए इतनी आवाज़ें आ रही हैं, तो इन सबको इग्नोर करना. ऐसे इग्नोर जैसे सिम्बा भी मुझे इग्नोर कर रही है. लिटरली सामने बैठी है सिम्बा ना, कोई फ़र्क नहीं. Auntie called me. I think make Yoongi chuckle. Yoongi, she will not because she know you are with me. Think make Jimin roll his eyes and go to bathroom. Yoongi see his action and smile. Yoongi, he think and smile. Sometimes later Jimin come back. He see Yoongi who's waiting for him. Yoongi come. He nodded and both go downstairs. Both go. सिम्बा बड़े बड़े बदतमीज देखे. सिम्बा जैसी बदतमीज आज तक नहीं देखी. यूनमिन come down and see everyone is waiting. Jimin looking down. Mrs. Min smiled to see both like this. Yoongi about to hold his hand, but she put hand on his hand aside and nodded as no. You don't like this thing because Yoongi love him a lot, so I is scared to him. He didn't tell him anything. Jungkook stand up and check Yoongi. Jungkook, Yoongi, hello young man. Yoongi, fine, and you? How are you? Jungkook, fine, and you? Yoongi, I am good. They sit down and Jimin went to kitchen because his Chiang is not here. Jimin saw mom. What you think? Coldly. Mrs. Min, I don't have any problem. I like him. Yoongi smiled. Yoongi, and you? Look at Jungkook. Jungkook, you really want to know? His raised his eyebrow. Yoongi laughed and nodded as not this. He also. जी ओए की करन दे हैं की हैं ओए हाय नहीं Mrs. Min, but son, where is your family? Asked Jungkook because he come alone. Jungkook, I don't have anyone in my life. Gwen, it's okay, son. Now you are my son. Say, make Jungkook smile. Mrs. Min, you both are friends, right? Yoongi nodded. Now she took some real life because Yoongi didn't make French. But if he makes a must be he sees something. Yoongi, okay, done. Some days later, you both get married. Asked to him. Jungkook, yeah, I don't have any problem. But after that, I go London. Yoongi, I also come. Don't worry, Jungkook nodded. Jimin and Taeyang come out. Taeyang don't want to come out, but Jimin take him. Best friends के ये तो काम है. Simba, Simba तेनू कसम लग गई तो मेरे हाल देख ला. पर सिम्बा बहुत ढीठ है. So he come. Both sit down. Jimin, well, yes, soon to be husband is very handsome. Smack and whisper. Taeyang face fully red. Jimin look at Yoongi, who's busy talking with Jungkook. Sometimes later, Jungkook, thank you so much for dinner, but now I think I have to go. Say and hug everyone. Last time, look at Taeyang and go behind his smile. Yoongi go to his room. Jimin feels strange, like what happened to him. No, he didn't call him. When everyone go to sleep, so Jimin also go. Hi, Jimin बेचारा Yoongi नाराज हो गया. ढीठ इंसान है. ओ सॉरी बिल्ली इंसान नहीं बिल्ली. मान जा. Time skip. Finally, this day come. Today, Taeyang and Jungkook going to marry with each other. Jimin wear light purple colored dress, looking very beautiful, but Taeyang is looking very sad. Jimin silently sits on the chair and look at Yoongi, who's busy talking with other people. It's been 5 days. Yoongi didn't talk with him. Jimin's eyes filled with tears, but he tried to control himself. Jungkook is waiting for his Taeyang. Yoongi feels someone look at him. He turns his side and sees Jimin look at him with teary eyes. Yoongi sees Jimin's eyes filled with water, but Jimin hardly look away. Jimin did actually make him happy. He's feeling like if he ignores Jimin, so doesn't affect on him, but he is wrong. Yoongi feel good. हाँ उस पर बुलाकर अच्छा लग रहा है Yoongi को. Simba, Yoongi सही ना तेरी कॉपी है. Deed. And sometimes बदतमीज also. खत्म हो जा. Door open and Taeyang entered the hall. He wear fully white colored dress, looking very cute and beautiful. Jungkook come down and hold his hand. Yoongi say no. Jimin ignore him. Yoongi in mind innocent. He think and smile. Please, now you both are me. You both. So Jungkook Taeyang forehead to make everyone start to clapping. Yoongi, congratulations. Jungkook smile. Yoongi Hyung, I don't know what happened to Jimin. I see he's crying in the corner of her. Yoongi smile. Yoongi, thank you for telling me. Say, make Taeyang smile. Now it's time to go. So everyone go. नहीं जिमिन क्यों रोए. हैं जिमिन क्यों रोए किसी के लिए, ओ सॉरी किसी के लिए नहीं, युंगी के लिए। युंगी ने रहा है, युंगी यार बात भूल गई मुझे। Yoongi enter in the room and see Jimin sit silently on the couch and looking down. He smiled and sits beside him. He say, Yoongi, come. So he hurriedly wiped his tears. Yoongi smiled. He about to go, but Yoongi holds his hand and make him stop. He also stand up and back again. He rests his chin and Jimin shoulder. Yoongi, what happened to you? Jimin, seriously? You are asking this? You are asking me, huh? Say and angrily look at him. Yoongi smile. Yoongi, okay. I am sorry. Say and stand up in front of him. Jimin, why you do this? Yoongi, I am busy. That's why. Yoongi, well, today you looking very beautiful. Say make Jimin खाग चाह जिमिन को चाहिए 2-3 थप्पड़ मारे युंगी के, मुक्के मारे, अच्छे खासे इसके चेहरे पर निशान डाले, फिर सॉरी कह कर काम ख़त्म कर दे। ढीठ सिम्बा सो गई। Jimin, thank you, no, leave me. Say and about to go, but Yoongi hold his hand and make him pin the wall. Jimin eyes widen. Yoongi, why I leave you? Listen, last night you say, asked Jimin shyly, Nori looking down. Yoongi lifts his chin, closes his eyes. Yoongi smile, and next moment, both start moving. Was very precious for both. Both enjoy the end. Hope you all like it.